yung nanay na nag-iisa dito sa balat ng Nikki na talaga naman pong mahiyain kapag ka walang piting nakahain. Napakagwapo talaga ng mahal ko. You ready? Ang yabang mo ah. Kapayat-payat naman ni. Okay, B. Patingin. Okay, go. Okay, B. Sige, sip-sipin mo. Kita B. Hindi namin kita B. Hoy! Hindi kita talaga. Hindi. Iniyak-lag mo sa baba. Patingin ang camera dyan sa baba, B. Ay nga. Ay meron. Oh my God! What? Shit. Ayan guys, hindi po nakakakilala kay Saiki. Ayan si Saiki po ng Team Aruna. Bihira niyo po siya makita at kapag siya po ay nakikita niyo, hindi po siya nakikipagkulitan at hindi po rin siya nakikipagchikahan sa inyo guys. Syempre kung siya man po ay makikita niyo, lagi pinakikita niya ay laging noo. Nag-iisang Saiki ng FTF ng Laluna Agency. Bibigyan kayo ng isang pambihirang sayaw at ngayon nyo lang makikita. Please welcome Mr. Saiki.
Oh my God! Wow!
Asarap!
DJ Cat J Partner.
Pipiliin ko, anak ng bombero, bomba siya, bomba ako, bombahan kami, pipiliin ko.
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
Anak ng mangingisda, sisid siya, sisid ako, sana all, sisira kami, hanggang mahuli yung rumpi. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Ito na ang itlog mo. Ayan na! And 3, 2, 1, eat your egg. Yan.
Oh my God!
Tumiran patay kayo. Kasalanan niyo po.
Masama kasi talaga yung pakiramdam ni Manager Starling. So, yan. Thank you, Manager Starling, sa paggawa ng ating punishment tonight.
Ay, ang ganda naman. Okay, sa nilagay itlog, are you ready? Ano, ang kanyang twist. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much! Dati, ngayon maganda na. Mr. Erwin Salina, are you ready to your slot? Your time is beginning now. Kuya Erwin, bilang isang star host at isang star anchor, papaano mo ba napapagsabay-sabay ang mga ganitong senaryo? Papaano mo mai encourage ang mga lalo-lalo na ang mga newbie dito sa ating agency? Paano mo sila i-encourage na ituloy nila ang kanilang talaga namang talent na hindi nila inilalabas at kailangan nilang ilabas para mas ma-boost sila?
Problema nila yun. Ayan. Hindi dapat para sa akin kumplito pa rin sa tulog. Diba? Tapos, para ma-maintain yung yung sa paora, saka yung sa mga talent nila, kailangan maging hirap talaga maging seryoso. Ibang nasa utak ko Mami Celine mga bago dyan na mayroon pang itinatagong talent, ipakita na ninyo sa lalo na yung mga tinatago pa dyan. Mas nakakataas ng confidence sa sarili. Confidence. Ano confident? Tama ba? Dapat maipakita pa nila yon. Kumbaga, ika nga pag hindi mo na kaya, hanap ka uli ng way para makapagpakita ka pa ng iba. Ganun lang. Tapos maintain mo lang yung pakikisama at saka yung ingat sa salita lang. Yan ang natutunan ko dito sa lalo. Yung nakakasakit, yung mga hindi nakakasakit. Kailangan laging may division pati. Kahit si boss natin, founder natin yan. Hindi mo basta-basta pwedeng mo. Laging may division. Kaibigan natin yan, pero iisipin din natin sila. Siya pa rin yung tatay natin. Diba? May division.
Kahit mas matanda
May limitasyon, may limitasyon. Totoo naman sinabi ni Kuya. Nagbabasa lang ako Nagbabasa lang ako lagi. Kasi baka nga biglang alam mo na.
Yes. Ayan, so ayan na nga. Tatay, pakis nga. So huwag na natin papatagalin. Introduce na natin ang batang-bata. Sa lahat ng mga bata,
Gumagawa.
napapanganga ka kapag siya'y kumakanta. Lalo na't nasa high note siya. Siya po ay tuli, hindi po siya supot. Please welcome the one and only Hot Trap at Laluna Agency. Please welcome Mr. Erwin Sulino.
Hindi ka sure na puli na.
I remember the days when you here with me. Those laughters and tears we shared for years. So
Parang gusto kong ayaw kong isin yung ginawa mo, Nikki.
memories that we had for so long, it's me and you. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, you know what to do. But please don't leave me, break my heart. Thank you so much. Hey, what should I do? If I missing you, please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me.
Di ba? Sarap yung gano'n. Di ba? May auto legend. Wala, may hangin pa.
I wish someday you'd be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, keep you ready, Ate Chachi! It's your turn!
Diretso ko gindoto, limbo ka ang bota. Nanging kilawang ko, ako hindi mangahat. Nani nakauta, napula-pulangan ng humok ang tahong niya. Matarotang, ista na tok maharang-harang. Naiibang kahong, na ako na titilawan. Kahong, makarot-karot, kahong iikawala. Kahong, makarot-karot,
Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Chachi! Kamusta ang pagkain mo ng egg? Bebe mo to. Sana all. Hindi ko makita yung face. Yes.
Say goodbye, hello to a love of a friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things we can then just say. Oh, we can really never tell it all. No, at all. Can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and so be it. Just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, hearts, listen to the birds, our words sent to sing for me and you. This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain, everything would be alright. For as long as the world till first there will be light and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. And I get low, when I lose you should go. Yeah. Getting warm, getting cold, but it could be so good already. But baby, this is life, now don't get mad. No, that's all. Can't you see that no matter matter what happens, life goes on, and so baby, bless my heart, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies rise, listen to the birds that I was sent to sing for me and you. They gave you for me. This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain, everything would be alright. For as long as the world tilts, there will be light and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. Life's full of challenges, not all the time we get what we want. But won't this melody? You take a trial and you'll make it through this. 'Cause you're strong, my faith in you is here. Till the heavens and this was wonderful. Let us celebrate life that's so beautiful. So beautiful. See the butterflies fly. Listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. They gave you for me. But this is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is freedom, everything would be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? Where's the rainbow always after the rain?
Oh my God!
Yun lang po.
Ayun, napakagaling naman ni Shelmin. Shelmin, konting interview lang.
Yun lang po.
Oo. Ang galing mo naman kumantabi. Paano mo ba nagagawa yung ganun kagaling boss at ganun kaswabe na boses?
Namana lang daw yan sa tatay.
Hindi kita kinakausap, manahimik ka, Aishi! Ayan guys, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay Laluna Agency! Maraming salamat Laluna Agency. Maraming salamat Founder Donji, General Manager Milana, Head Manager Maru, at sa lahat po ng mga managers and admins and Canambulor. Sa lahat po ng mga host ng Laluna Agency, sa lahat po ng mga new members ng Laluna Agency, at sa lahat po ng mga tao na nandito na wala po pong agency. Ayan, available po ang aming agency para po kayo ay kupkupin, hagilapin, at turuan kung paano mag-live stream. Andiyan po yung mga officers po namin, i-message niyo po sila. Siyempre maraming salamat din po sa aking dalawang co-host. Nauna man yung isa pero talaga naman pong kayo sinuportahan. At ayan, kay Manager Abby at syempre sa aking anak-anakan, newbie man sa inyong paningin. Ishi, thank you so much. Ayan. Ayan guys, thank you so much. At dito po nagtatapos ang punishment night ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay Laluna!